guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal, and if you're new, hello, welcome. If you're into handbags as much as I am, then you're gonna love this channel. So I suggest you hit that subscribe button. And I am glad to finally be back. I know it's been a while since my last upload. It's been quite a few months since I last recorded a video. And it's just been pretty hard since I have 4 kids, and since they've been doing online classes, it's really hard to get them to be quiet or to get a video going. This time I'm coming back with an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. I ended up buying this bag from Saks. It was a pretty good deal, so I couldn't pass it up. So I decided to go for it. And it's obviously from Coach, if you haven't seen by the title already. So I'm pretty excited to see if I'm going to like it, if it's a good size for me, if it'll work out or not. And if it's a brand new bag that I received. Let's hope so. So far looks good. It's complete with its packaging. Here's my receipt from Saks. Oh, okay. Nice. And this is how I know when I'm getting a brand new spanking bag, because it's complete with its original packaging. It hasn't been opened. So far so good. So I ended up picking up the Coach Tabby leather satchel, and this bag originally retails for, let me pull it up, $395, but I got such a steal. It was on sale for $207, and I had either a 20% off or 15% off coupon, so it brought my total under $200 with taxes included. I couldn't pass up, and I picked it up, and I honestly thought the size was perfect. You know, I'm more into mini bags, and this one looks just like the perfect size. So let me show you. Ooh, so cute. So stinking cute. Here is the exact name and the model number if you want to take a screenshot of that. And like I said, it retails for $395. And okay, I'm having trouble trying to figure out if it's a magnetic or push lock. Oh my god, you guys, now that I have it completely unboxed from outside, it is so stinking cute. If I had a little bit of doubt before whether I was gonna like it or not, let me tell you, I love it. I feel I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, and it's so versatile because not only can you carry it top handle, but it comes with its own strap so you can wear it cross body as well. So it's super cute. I can't get over how cute it is. I also like the fact that they did a pebble leather with the smooth leather. Makes it look way nicer. It gives it more of interest to it. Now the reason why I couldn't get it open at first was because it had a lot of tissue going on, so I couldn't get to the push button. So it's a push lock closure. You just push it right here and it opens up. That's why I was having trouble earlier, because all the tissue was covering. And if you see, it has Coach engraved right there. So you have a slip pocket right in the front. Oh, look at the inside, guys. Look at the material inside. So on the inside is this nice ox blood suede fabric. And so inside it does come with its own little dust bag. How cute is this tiny little dust bag? perfect for my tiny little bag. It's honestly so cute that my daughter could even rock this. But anyways. So inside you have one pocket, another pocket, which none of them have any side pockets, but you do have this little zippered pocket, which honestly you're not going to be able to fit much, but probably some cash if you want to hide a cash or a credit card. It'll fit perfectly in there. And of course you have your back pocket. Also the back of it has the smooth leather, pebble leather on top. And that's the only place where you get the pebble leather, is the flap closure. Other than that, the rest of the bag is all in the smooth leather. The bottom of the bag has feet, which I love. I haven't had a bag with feet in a while. Most of them don't have any. It comes with gold hardware. Have the C right there. The bottom of the feet with the gold hardware, and the sides of the bag with the gold hardware. It's a little bit dented right here, but I'm sure it'll smooth out with time. Comes with your Coach dog tag. It's super cute, super small and cute, but we shall see how much stuff actually fits in it. So before I show you what fits inside, let me give you the measurements real quick. And it measures 8 inches in length, 5 3/4 in height, and it has a width of 3.5. So honestly, although it's small, I feel like a good amount will fit. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to put in this bag is my keys, because I carry this obviously everywhere I go. So I'll just stick that in here. I'm also going to put in my phone. I have the Pro 12 Max, so it's a pretty large phone. So here's the size difference, so you could see. So there we go. So that fits. I'm gonna stick this one right in the back. Okay, maybe in the front. So I'll put that one. I wonder if it fits standing up. You know what? Yeah, it fits standing up. So I'll just put it standing up, and I'll put my 6 card holder next to it. So far this is what's in there. A lip balm, some Tylenol. This is usually what I carry. Honestly, all that fits right in the front. Some little to-go band-aids. My kids are obsessed with band-aids. And for every little single scratch, they want a band-aid. Some lotion, it's a pretty small one, right there. Some hand sanitizer. And honestly guys, this is all I really carry when I'm just gonna go run a quick errand or go to a party. I don't carry much. I do carry this bag whenever I go to a party, if it fits, but if it doesn't, it's just my mirror, my lip gloss, and whatever lipstick I'm carrying, my eyelash glue, and my tweezers. So usually, if that little bag doesn't fit in my bags, I like to just take these out individually and just throw them in my bag. Well, so okay, yeah, not very well organized, but honestly, it still could probably fit a few more smaller items. And honestly, I don't think you would stick anything inside this front pocket unless you just want to stick in receipt, a card, something pretty slim. Okay, bad news, that's not gonna shut. So, and I know it's because of my phone. I stick out my phone and it perfectly closes. I could honestly probably just have my phone in the back pocket. That's probably what I would do anyway, since I always just need to quickly reach for it. Boom, take it out of the back pocket, and it's very easily accessible that way. It doesn't look very cute while I'm holding it, but okay, sadly enough, my phone does not fit either up standing like that, or even if I try sticking it this way, it's not gonna go in. It's just not happening. It's a little too small. It hits. If you have a smaller phone than the Max, then yes, it will definitely fit. But anything as big as the Pro Max, it is not gonna fit. Okay guys, I was wrong. The phone does fit. I just had to, the way I have to put it in, it's like this. Okay, so the way I have to stick it in is slant it in first, then just turn it, and then it'll fit. Oh, sorry, it's hard to record with one hand, but I was editing and I don't know why I thought, wait, I didn't try it this way. So yes, that's how it will work. You will be able to fit it in there that way. So you won't be able to put it straight in like this. Okay. But if you slant the phone, then it will fit. So apologize for that. So your Pro Max will fit if you slant it that way. Okay, back to the video. So here's a quick look at it, closer look. Like I mentioned, this is a pebble leather with calf leather. And the only thing that's pebble leather is the top flap of the bag. Everything else, calf leather. It's such a beautiful bag, guys. Calf leather. It's small, but it's good enough for me, for my needs. Let me give you a closer look inside of what I packed in it. So here's what I put. Now that I took out the phone, I could obviously fit a few more stuff in it. And obviously if I organized it a little better, more things will fit. And honestly guys, this is the perfect bag you would take out for a date night, for a party, something where you don't need to take a whole lot of things. Because obviously it's not very big, but it still holds a good amount. Just pretty much your basic essentials will definitely fit right in it. It does come with a detachable strap, so you could wear it crossbody. Close that. So it just easily hooks onto that. It has a 21.5-inch drop, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, so you could adjust it to your height. So this is what the bag looks like on me. I measure 5'2". Right now I left it at the hole it was in, so you could adjust. If you're taller, adjust the strap lower. But this is what it looks like. It is super cute. So you could either wear it on your shoulder, or you could wear it top handle. Like I said, remove the strap and just carry it like this. So obviously I would take off the strap and just carry it like this. Or you could also wear it crossbody. So you could also wear it crossbody like so. Obviously for me, I will lower it a little bit more. Let me do that so I can show you. I lowered it to the second to last hole. That's a pretty good length. For me, it hits me right on my hip. So honestly, that's where I would carry it if I had a crossbody. And I like the buckle system. It's pretty easy. It's a regular belt, and I like the fact that it comes with this second little loop to hold down the strap, because we all know how annoying that could be when the flap starts to stick up. So the adjustment is pretty easy. It's a belt, nothing hard to it. Crossbody. On the shoulder. On the shoulder and top handle. You could even carry it with the strap and it's fine too. Okay, so I've taken a few of my bags out just so you could get a quick comparison of how small the bag is. So here is the Coach Tabby next to the Tory Burch Kira bag. As you can see, it's obviously taller. But when it comes to the width, here's the width of that. And obviously, this pinches in at the top. So that's why you get a little less room because of the way it's designed in an accordion style. But nonetheless, for me, it still fits my essential needs. So that's what that looks like. Next to the Coach Parker, this is how big it looks like. There it is. It's like a little bit more than half of a Parker. Parker is designed the same way as this is designed, accordion style. Obviously the Parker is a lot bigger, but I just wanted you to see them side by side so you could kind of see the difference in sizes. Next, of course, Jet Set. The crossbody bag. I believe that's what it's called. It's been a while since I've used it. Nonetheless, a great crossbody bag. It has lasted me years. I have a review on that. It's next to the Michael Kors crossbody bag. It's obviously longer, but as far as the width, the Coach bag has more width to it. So there it is compared to that one. Now if I compare it to the Tory Burch original Old Fleming, the OG, you know how there's a new style to it, which I have the new style as well. But compared to this one, obviously this holds a whole lot more. A little too much for me. I don't need one this big. That's why I've been more into smaller bags, but here is the size difference. There you go. Boom. Boom. There you go. So far, that's it for this video. I will have this bag linked below. Like I mentioned, I bought this off of Saks, but I noticed at the moment it's sold out. Honestly, because it was such a good deal. Because at the moment, you can purchase it on sale on the Coach website. But honestly, it's on sale for $276 versus the $207 that Saks had it on sale for. But at the moment it's sold out. I will still link it with Saks in case it comes back. Because just keep looking every day. If you're interested on buying it from them, keep looking. And if you have any coupons from them, use them because it will apply to it. That's how I got it under $200. And if you can't get it from Saks and you liked it that much, then maybe consider buying it from Coach. That's it. Hopefully I mentioned everything, and hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions down below, please leave them. I will get back to you as soon as I can. También hablo español, so si tienes una pregunta o quieres saber otra cosa de esta bolsa, déjamelo saber en los comentarios y te respondo en lo más pronto posible. And that's it for this guide. It felt good to be back. It feels good to be recording again. Hopefully I could be getting more videos out to you guys because I sure as hell miss it. And as long as my kids are quiet, I can record more videos. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.